The importance of repairing your mind every morning. Every day, life presents us with challenges that can affect our mental and emotional well-being. Stress from work, worries about the future, personal disappointments, and unexpected problems can slowly wear down our confidence and inner peace. Many people ignore this mental strain and continue pushing themselves without taking time to recover. However, just as our bodies need rest and care, our minds also require daily maintenance. Every morning offers a fresh opportunity to repair the damage caused by yesterday's struggles and prepare ourselves for the day ahead. One of the most important things we can do is let go of past mistakes and regrets. Dwelling on things that cannot be changed only wastes energy and prevents us from focusing on the present. Instead, we should accept what happened, learn from it, and move forward with a clear mind. It is also important to understand our limits and avoid overwhelming ourselves with unrealistic expectations. By setting achievable goals and prioritizing what truly matters, we can reduce unnecessary stress and improve our productivity. Another essential step is addressing small problems before they become larger issues. Whether it is a difficult conversation, a task we have been avoiding, or a personal concern, taking action early can prevent future anxiety and frustration. In addition, we should remove negative influences from our lives, such as toxic relationships, harmful habits, or constant exposure to negativity. Protecting our mental health requires making choices that support our growth and well-being. Maintaining strong values and principles is equally important because they provide guidance during difficult times and help us make better decisions. Furthermore, expressing our emotions in a healthy way can prevent stress from building up inside us. Talking to someone we trust, writing in a journal, or simply acknowledging our feelings can provide relief and clarity. Successful people also prepare for challenges by considering possible obstacles and having backup plans. This allows them to remain calm and confident when things do not go as expected. Another helpful practice is protecting the first moments of the day from distractions such as social media and unnecessary information. Instead, we should spend time reflecting, reading something inspiring, or planning our day with purpose. The quality of what we consume mentally has a direct impact on our thoughts, attitudes, and actions. Therefore, feeding our minds with positive and educational content can lead to better decisions and a healthier outlook on life. We should also challenge ourselves regularly because growth comes from stepping outside our comfort zones. Facing small difficulties voluntarily builds resilience and prepares us for greater challenges in the future. Finally, it is important to create something meaningful every day, whether it is learning a new skill, helping another person, or working toward a long-term goal. These actions give our lives purpose and contribute to lasting personal growth. In conclusion, repairing our minds every morning is essential for living a balanced, productive, and fulfilling life. By letting go of the past, managing our responsibilities wisely, solving problems early, protecting our mental health, and focusing on meaningful growth, we can become stronger and better equipped to face the challenges of life. A healthy mind is one of our greatest assets, and taking care of it each day can lead to lasting happiness, success, and inner peace.